Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can stabilize your shaky video on CapCut PC. Unfortunately I don't really have a video that shows like it very shaky, but like that's why I'm just going to add this video. And then I'm going to go to basic under video and I'm going to select stabilize. There are these levels that you can choose from: recommended, minimum, cut, and most stable. So you're just going to stick you're going to pick the most stable one, and it's going to hopefully make your video more stabilized. It will cut some of the video off though if you select this option. So yeah, that is it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!